What is up, folks? So in this video, I'm going to give you my strategy for my inbox management system I use at my lead generation agency, which enables me to book anywhere from 5 to 10 book calls every single week on my calendar. So there's 3 steps, in my opinion, in order for you to have the best inbox management system possible. So just before we get into it, what is inbox management? It's simply the system you use in order to handle all of the replies you get from your lead generation system and book as much call as possible. That being said, I'll see you on my screen. So I'm just going to go in details on the 3 steps in order for you to have the best inbox management system as possible. Just before we get into it, I'm just going to brag a bit and show you actually results I'm getting with this. So all of these calls were booked yesterday. So I've got one today and actually 30 minutes, one later on today, 1 tomorrow, 2 tomorrow, and I'm not even counting the follow-up calls, obviously, but all of these were booked yesterday. So that was just I think yesterday I booked 4 or 3 book calls, and every single day I'm getting all of these booked calls. So this is just to show you the system actually works now. So now let's get into some details. So I just want to give you some few notes I had just so I don't forget anything. So basically you need to understand that one of the biggest factors in order for you to book some calls with your leads is your ability to answer fast to them. If you can answer your leads from a window spectrum of 10 to 30 minutes, your chance of booking a call with your leads, it's going to be way higher, simply because your lead simply sees your email. He has you in mind, he's probably checking your LinkedIn or checking stuff about you. And if you're able to hit him right when he has your agency in mind, it's going to be so much easier than if you answer to him 5 hours later when he kind of forgot about you and maybe he's not as warm. Maybe he's not as a warm lead. This is why we qualify lead as warm, because this is the exact example. The lead is warm when he's seeing your email, and if you're able to answer him straight away, your chance of booking a call with them is so much higher. And you probably notice already, but now that we notice, I need to show you an example. So basically, all the leads, when you use your master inbox from the native tool you're using, so probably Instantly or probably Smart Lead, when you have a positive reply, so if I go for one of my clients, status interested, reminders. So this guy was marked as interested and it says 10:45 a.m. But if I actually log into my inbox, I'm sure it's probably going to be 10:30 a.m. or even below this. And the thing is, what I'm trying to say is that your positive replies are going to be marked in your native tool, but there's going to be a big delay from the moment your lead answers at 11 a.m. It's probably going to be 12 midday or 1 p.m. in your inbox for your native tool. So basically you're missing out all that fast reply time to answer to them. So this is a bit unfortunate, because otherwise the feature is good, the user experience is pretty nice, but the delay is killing all of this. So you need to set up a manual inbox. And one of the other reasons why I've set up a manual inbox management system is because sometimes I see the format of the answers can be a bit weird. I would answer them and then I would check in the inbox, there would be some weird HTML stuff. And other times simply some people are answering positively to your inbox, but there's not being marked in the master inbox. So as the time of today, I've tried both, and the manual inbox I've simply more really more efficient, and the results is it's so much clearer. I'm getting so much more book calls by doing the manual system. I've seen other people in the industry also using this system, and so as the day of today, I'm actually doing the manual system. So how do you create this manually? I just want to show you a little drawing of why this works amazingly too. So basically, I'm going to give you an example. So you've got all of your individual inboxes. So this is how people usually do their individual inboxes. You've got your name and then you've got your domain, and you use a domain variation. So let's take an example that John tries to send an email to Tom. And now Tom is basically wants to answer to John at try@apple.com, but 99% of people we'll have this on auto, like a custom reply to one of the others. So Tom wants to answer to john@tryapple.com, but because you have this automatic reply setting, Tom's actually going to answer to john@getapple.com, and then john@getapple.com is going to answer to Tom. And this creates a bit of a confusion for the guy because he's answering to one people and then like someone else from the same domain is answering, and this creates a lot of friction. And the thing is, today we can make this like actually like we can override this problem in order to have like a really, really smooth inbox conversation where none of this happens. So you can actually like automatically and without having to log into each inboxes, you can have John at Try@Apple send a message to Tom at Microsoft, and then Tom at Microsoft can answer to the same email, and you can actually then try to book a call with Tom using the same email without having to log into all of this. And this is because you can transfer all of your emails from the inbox to one same inbox. This is really different from reply, from like the automatic reply. It's transferring, and then on one inbox, you can send emails on behalf of all of your inboxes. And this creates a massive difference. So I'm just going to show you how this is set up, just so you get an idea. So let me to log in into one of my clients. So I've got this, and then basically, if I go into settings, accounts, you can see that send email as, and I've got about 20 emails. So when I send an email, I go like this. I can basically choose, wait, let me try to put this in bigger. I can choose from which of my inbox I'm going to send an email. And this is like logging into one inbox. This creates a massive difference because I can just like follow up with any conversation from any of the inbox where I haven't logged in from ages, and I can just continue the conversation. So let's take an example. Someone has answered, well, this is out of office, but just showing you basically, let me check. So this is the email I used to send her an email. And then if I reply, I'm using the exact same email I used. And most people will use like a default email, which creates a bit of friction. So this is just to show you like this is possible. So the thing you want to do basically is, first of all, you want to transfer all of your emails. So you want to go here and forwarding. This is my master inbox. So obviously I'm not forwarding anything, but you want to log into all of your inbox and add a forwarding address to your main inbox. This is not a reply as, it's just forwarding the mails. You're not doing like all of the reply settings. And then so you do this for each of your inbox, and then only for your master inbox, this is what you want to send on behalf of, and you just want to add another email address, type your email address, then do next step, and it's going to ask for a confirmation to your other inbox, and you can simply set this up. So this, I know this is a bit technical, but this is like a massive change. So now that this is done, let's do the rest. So the second thing you want to do is create some labels. So this is like having a mini CRM into your inbox. So you've got your warm up, you've got your interested people, you've got your non-interested people, all of this. So if I just want to do a follow up, I can just go here. I can see like this was sent 2 days ago. I can just reply and do a follow up really easily. And you want to do this with everything. And the thing is, you don't want to do this manually. So you want to create some filters. So let me show you my filters. So let me take the example of this. So for all of the out of the office. So if the word in the email contains out of the office, you can continue, skip the inbox, mark as read, apply the label out of the office, and apply to like this. So you can see here, I'm not seeing any of the out of the office, and then I go here, and then my out of the office is marked as out of the office, basically. So this is pretty simple to do, and you can just have like a really clean inbox. Everything is here, everything is fast, etc. So this is for the second step. And now for the last step, you want to create some email templates. So this is just like, now you're getting the positive reply. You're seeing it instantly in your inbox and your manual inbox. And let's take an example. So interested, this guy is interested, boom. And then, so let's say, this guy is interested. You can do reply, and basically people are going to fall in, like their replies are going to fall into different scenarios. It's always the same. Either someone wants more information, either someone wants stuff into more information about pricing specifically, or someone wants to book a meeting. So you want to create some templates to be as fast as possible. Also, the day I hire an inbox manager, all of this will be ready. So let's say the guy is asking more information, which is like, I'd say like 50% of people answering positive reply. More information in English, because I'm doing French and English. All of this is set up. Then I can simply change his name, change the availabilities and send. And like, this is like a perfect answer. And in less than 30 seconds, I can have like I can follow. A guy answers at 9:51, at 52, I can have a personalized answer, like with all the right information. So this is it basically, to have like a really good inbox management system. Now, if you want to go like one step higher and really differentiate and save some time and like really do some volume, what you can do is when you have someone interested, basically you answer him with the template and then you automatically go into instantly. Maybe you go like 30 minutes after because he probably won't be there already. And then you want to move him to a subsequence, and you can have subsequences for people who are interested. Let me show you. And basically what this does, it does the automatic follow-up, so you don't have to do this. Fuck, this is French, bad example. Let me go in English, a test campaign. I think this will be good. And then you can simply do some automatic follow-up. So, hey, I sent you an email about a week ago. You said you were interested in a lead generation strategy. Has this changed? And then you're simply going to do like some follow-ups until the guy answers. And if he books a call or if he answers, you can simply like either do manual, like remove him from the subsequence, or either do a Zapier where the guy is automatically removed from the sequence. So guys, this is it for the master inbox management system. Really, like, I know this is a bit technical, but it's honestly like it's worth it to go into it because you're going to get so much more booking calls than before. I closed my eyes a bit for too long on this. I was simply using the native feature, which is really good when you're starting out. But if you want to make a difference, this will make a difference from also like all the other beginners. The more pain you go, the more like difficult stuff you do. This means like your competition is not doing it and it's simply going to put you like one step above everyone else. So that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.